I'm going to give you a challenge, guys. Have you ever wore yellow? Stop the frump. We have to lose the frump, guys. The frump is gone. It's springtime. After the short break, and I'll let you see me in my nice dress. Very short video, just to talk again in great depth. Well, it's not really great depth, but just again to tell you, please, 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 lose the frump. You have to lose the frump. You're not mum person. I'm a dress on, you can tell me what you think. I just thought I would do a little video and show you my yellows. I'm off to a nice wedding tonight. Just thought I would get a little chat with you guys, because I don't know if you remember the video I did before, 5 ways or 10 ways to fight the frump. I can't even remember what it was. But that video, I remember talking about just keeping yourself really fresh, being bold, doing what you want to do. Never thought that I would ever go bold and want to wear yellows, but I quite like the yellow. The reason I went for yellow, a black dress, and the bottom of the dress has got yellow. Couldn't match what to wear shoe wise, so I decided that I would buy two-tone shoes because I've got a red handbag. So I'm going to be wearing two-toned shoes to bring in the yellow of the dress. Don't know why red, but just because I like the shoes. Red and yellow shoes, which sounds really a bit mad or a bit ambitious, like extreme, going bold, doing whatever it is that gets you through looking like a less frumpy mum. We've done the frump, we're not doing the frump anymore. Wearing bold colours, guys, and it is spring, so we're going yellow. The hair done as well. I went to a nice little shop just in Albany Street called Mosko Hair in Edinburgh, and honestly the girl in there, she does it really nice. Just a nice little curl. We'll be ready to go. I want to give you a challenge to ask you a question. Have you ever wore yellow, bold yellow like this on your eyes before? Now that you've seen the yellow, would it ever make you want to try yellow? I love it. I really love it. My daughter at first said, "Don't think so, Mum." I said, "Oh please, I want to try yellow." And actually she's delighted with it as well. She says, "Oh wow, that's beautiful, Mum." I think us mums can teach our daughters a few things as well. You don't lose it when you get to 50 plus. Still wear the bold colours, still go crazy. The dress that I'm going to wear just now is a Mullen dress. Keeping classy, but I'm being bold. It's fun. You know, when I get my eyes done like this, I just don't want to take the eye makeup off. Tomorrow morning I'll be like, "Oh no, Cinderella." I just love when I've got a vibrant colour like that. I don't want to ever take it off. Loving my eyes, and there's nothing wrong with loving what you see in the mirror sometimes. Don't overdo it. You're a bit weird, like me. But it's okay to be weird, not to be frumpy. Stop the frump. We have to lose the frump, guys. The frump is gone. It's springtime, and I'm going to be putting out a few videos soon about doing the wardrobe as well, decluttering all the stuff out the wardrobe. In the meantime, let's just play about with the colours, and tonight's night out I need to get myself moving. So just a really quick video. I'm just going to come down in 2 minutes. You can see why I decided that I needed yellow on the eye. I was going to buy yellow earrings, and I was going to get yellow nails, but I didn't think the yellow nails would really cut it. And the girl in the nail salon said to me, no. My other daughter said to me, "Not yellow earring. That is killer overboard." Today my daughter gave in and she put the yellow on my eye. I actually like it. 2 minutes, I'll see you soon. Yes, I am very happy with my dress. I love this bit yellow, and of course the yellow is going to go really nice with the bright yellow on the eyes. Just decided that I'm going to have a fun night, I hope. We'll just mix and match. You don't have to worry too much, and you can see that the yellow isn't too extreme. It's very plain, the dress, and then you've just got that little flap, which, as you know, you can see that I'm going to have a good time with this little bit flare. If it was all yellow, then you'd have a problem. But don't worry about being bold on the eyes. If you're going on a night out and you're wearing something that's got a bit of a float. You don't want to put a yellow bag or yellow earrings. I think my daughter was actually, she was right, because the yellow earrings would have been too much, I think. Hope that helps you out, guys. Don't be frightened to wear bold colours on your eyes and mix and match. Wear a classy dress, save up and buy a decent classy dress, and you'll have your clothes forever. I promise you that, you really will. Have fun. Enjoy being you. Your new you. Who's that frump? If you're enjoying the videos, then please subscribe, like, share. If you've not seen the 10 ways to lose the frump, then go watch that. That was a video that I did last year. Then go and watch that video, because it's really quite a good video to get you started. If you're being a frump. I was a bit of a frump as well. Lose that frump. Watch the video. Know if you're liking the videos, and if you're liking the videos, then subscribe, like, share. And I'll see you guys next week. Trying to get the videos out. The weekend used to be a Friday, but now it's lingering at a Saturday. Sometimes they're not going out until a Sunday. Do have a full-time job, just whenever I can get the videos out. So the video's going out once a week. I better get out and have a good night. Take care, guys, and thank you so much for watching.